Here's what we're going to use to do some dry styling. You're going to separate your hair. I like to do small sections. I'm spraying with the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Heat Protectant Spray. And then I'm going to use this Revlon hot styling tool. Guys, it was only like 30 bucks on Amazon. I will link it in the description. But basically what I'm doing is I'm taking sections of my hair. Smaller sections, you're going to get a better finish. Don't try to do too much. You'll see at a certain point I kind of do that and I have to redo it. Always away from your face. That's going to create like that nice like curve of the hair and just some volume. This is where I took too much and you can see that. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Smaller sections work better. Again, away from the face. I always like to kind of do this part of the hair a little bit more just to give it a little more volume. And I'm just rolling it out. I spray it again. Always spray the area that you're going to use the hot tool with so you don't get damage. And you can see here, I'm just actually yelling at Luna because she was biting something near the trash can. That has nothing to do with the hair video. So also the other thing I do, if you just notice, I kind of twist the hair away once I'm done styling it through. The bangs take your time. Do it in sections. If you want more volume, you have to do it in sections. So here I kind of did everything. And as those pieces are falling, I'm going to take that and I'm going to do that by itself. And here I roll it back. And then sometimes I roll it one way and pull it in the opposite direction. That's what's going to give me the curtain bangs to fall like that. And then I kind of just run my fingers through as it's cooling. And that's it. All done.